Hey everybody, Joe Bananas here. I have a package here, and I will preface this with I did already cut it just to save some time, but I have a new acquisition in here. I used the baby machine, which I love, to open it up. I have a Peter Doering bead on here. Peter's out of Germany, makes some really cool stuff. Check him out on IG. I think it's Peter.Doering, D-O-E-R-I-N-G, something like that. I don't know. Really cool guy. I have a couple products of his. This bead's really cool. He makes some really cool stuff. Check him out. So I cut it open with the baby machine, but what I have here is a new acquisition from my good friends at GP Knives in Illinois. I'm in Indiana, so I try to order from GP Knives whenever I can because they're very close. I ordered this on Tuesday night, late, like 9 o'clock at night. Tuesday was the day before 4th of July. It was July 3rd, and it showed up today. They didn't even ship it out until like Thursday afternoon, and I already got it. So you can't beat that. It's awesome. Good shipping department. So thank you, GP Knives. I really appreciate it. Good people over there. Check them out. I'm in no way affiliated with GP Knives. Just I didn't get any discount or anything. I like those guys, and would like to see other people get just as good a business as I've gotten. So check them out. Order from them if you can. So what I have here is, yeah, it's a ZT. Some tactical peanuts. Screw that. All right. So I've got the cats on the back porch out here with me too. So you may hear or see them. You may see them make an appearance. I don't know. They're acting crazy. So I've got a real beast in this box, right? Proudly built in the USA, in Oregon. Let's see if I could zoom in a little bit better. So I don't know if you guys know what this is, but it's kind of special. I saw it and I knew I had to have it. Now the original version of this knife I did not like. I always like the ZT boxes. Proudly overbuilt in the USA. I wouldn't really consider this knife overbuilt, but let's quit bullshitting around. We'll check it out. Okay. There's not many videos on this knife either, so I'll do a couple different ones. Let's see here. Nobody needs that crap. There we go. Oh, kitty number 3's coming. You guys tell what it is from the package? This is the ZT 0462 BLK for black. God, this thing is light. Good Lord. I'm seeing this for the first time as you guys are. This is sick. Wow. So yeah, the original version of this, I don't know if you guys are seeing it or not, but it came with red carbon fiber and a satin blade, satin hardware. I didn't like the red carbon fiber. Truth be told, I do not like any kind of colored carbon fiber. To me, carbon fiber should be black. Here, get this crap out of the way, sorry. There we go. Carbon fiber should be black, right? That's what it is. So when I saw the Sprint Run in black, I was like, oh my God, yes. And I picked one up. And my good buddy Levon from the Knife Nuts podcast, he is at Knife Nuts podcast on IG. He really pushed me to get this. He got one in and loved it, and he said, dude, I think you'll like it. I really think you'll like it. You should pick one up. So I did. So thank you, Levon, for pushing me over the edge on this. He was certain that I would love the ergonomics of this knife, and let's give it a flip open and see how it is. I'll zoom out a little bit, refocus. Whoa. Man, those ergos are perfect. Wow, what a cool knife. Very smooth. Jeez. I mean, you're seeing that right out of the box like I am. I mean, it's just butter smooth. Good God, this thing's sick. So I believe this is Zoom in a little bit more. I believe this is an aluminum backspacer, if I'm not mistaken. And it's black, which is pretty cool. Obviously you've got the sculpted or milled carbon fiber. So that's pretty neat. Just give you some macros here. Hope the birds aren't too annoying that you hear chirping. It's really nice out today, so I figured I'd do a video outside. I like this pivot. It's cool. It's definitely very different. Something you don't see everywhere. The black hardware, big fan. Scale feels great. It's nice and smooth. This knife is very light as well. They say the specs called for it being 3.7 ounces. I'd say it's probably really close for sure, so I would say they're probably right. Lockup is pretty early. Yeah, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys. I'll do a better video going in depth on it, and I'll probably do a takedown video too, just so you can see the inside. And but yeah, I just wanted to show this off and kind of give you guys a first look video at this, do my first unboxing, and hopefully you guys like it. But yeah, this is a ZT0462 BLK Sprint Run from Zero Tolerance. Literally no different than the 0462, just the color changes. So yeah, and I believe, oh, this is yeah, S35 VN steel. Sorry, I'm trying to focus in there so you guys can see it. There we go. That's it. Oh, low serial number 2. How about that, huh? Number 180. GP knives with a hookup on that. But yeah, this is 0462 BLK. Hope you guys dig it. I know I do. You'll see more of this one. You'll have some photos coming up too on my IG, @JoeBananas. Check it out. You guys have a good weekend. Peace.